Okay, I am back sewing the last panel of the roof. I did start sewing the last panel of the roof. I have started sewing. Then I realised that I'd sewn the Velcro on in the wrong place. So I had to take it all off again. And that included the double-sided tape, which was not easy. I mean, it's funny with this PVC fabric stuff. It's hard to glue it. It's hard to glue, right? Except for if you don't want it to glue it. So if you use the aluminium foil tape for the insulation and you put that onto the vinyl, it sticks like buggery and you can't get the glue off. Well, you can, but you have to really go at it and probably get some solvent or something on the job. And then the same with the double-sided tape. It doesn't really stick the Velcro on very well, but it sticks really well to the PVC. It's taken me an hour to just pick off the glue from the double-sided tape. So I must be near to solving that issue. I found that there's two things that really do stick well. So if I could just work out what the actual common glue is to that, or what those glues are, I could probably get somewhere with it. Right, anyway, so I've stuck the Velcro back in the right place. Well, I think it's the right place. And now I'm going to sew it on again. And hope I get it right this time. If I actually got it right the first time, taking it apart, now I sew it on wrong. That wouldn't be the first time that's happened to me on this job even. So anyway, I'm pretty sure this is right. Now, I'll give it a go. I really like this sewing machine. I bought it off some of our Muslim brothers in Batley. Hey. And they were well nice crew, right? And they were amused to see how I would manage the machine, I'm sure. But you know, they wanted me to stop for a cup of tea and everything. Oh, they were well nice. Said that if I went back next time, he'd give me a new hat. There we are anyway. So, I like this machine. I've got a new motor on it, so I can go really slow. Oh look, Robin, oh no. I can go like, I can almost do a stitch at a time, but you know, not quite, but I'm more or less. I love it. I've got another one just like it that I got in Nelson. So, yeah, I've had a lot of tribulations sewing this last panel. I got the frame wrong, I got the plywood wrong, I started putting skylight in it. Well, obviously can't take a skylight because it's the funny panel. Oh, gosh, everything wrong. This panel's taken about, you know, a week. And that doesn't include the fact that because I tried to start putting the skylight in here, then realised I couldn't. I've got to take apart one of the other panels to put the skylight in there. But that's another time. I'm not doing that for now. This last panel, and then wrap it around that bit of roofing section. Slot it into the roof, and if it all fits, that will be the roof complete. If it all fits. I'm not saying whether it will or not. Here we are, nearly done by now. So this is me sewing, and I haven't got much more to do on this. Up at the top, I have to make flashings that come from the top of the roundhouse onto all of these roof panels. So they'll probably be made of vinyl. I've got just about enough left to do that. And then that's it. I'll run out of vinyl altogether. 2 rolls. That's 100 linear meters, 2 meters wide, 200 square meters of this stuff we have used. 200 square meters. Wow, the thing's only 6 meters diameter. Anyway, there we go. All right, onwards and upwards. Good luck to everybody.